A heads up for Florida homeowners. The annual deadline to file homestead exemption, it's just a few days away. Today, the Leon County Property Appraiser's Office wanted to make sure homeowners were aware of that March 1st deadline. To do that, they hosted a food truck roundup at Altamise Barnes Park for the downtown lunch rush. Those exemptions could save you hundreds of dollars off your property taxes.
There are money-saving property tax exemptions available to our Florida residents. Unfortunately, a lot don't know or believe that they may have purchased them with a home or maybe signed up for them at closing.
There are also exemptions for military, disability, widows, and seniors. You don't need to renew the exemptions each year. Today's food truck event also doubled as a fundraiser, with a portion of the proceeds headed to the United Way of the Big Bend.